wanted to make our elf go onto the shelf without touching her. So I made this thing where this robot, I turn it on, this guy pushes him off, pulley system, where it pushes this guy off, bringing her up onto the shelf. So, now let's try it. So you're gonna see I'm gonna turn it on, and watch it. Goes up and onto the shelf. And then, she's gonna have to do a chin up. I personally don't like chin ups. She's gonna chin up onto here, and then just being off on the shelf, because she's on the shelf now.